Okay, wait. I will gonna move to this one. Okay. This one, we answered this one last meeting, right?
Yes.
But this time, we are going to answer it again as a review. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you read, what's your answer number 1, Kong?
C.
C, can you please read your answer?
A pair of new French puzzle.
One more time. A pair of
New French sport shoes.
Why is it, Kong? Why is that your answer? Why did you choose that answer, Kong? Clyde. Why did you choose that answer? Okay, because this one, because your answer is letter C, right?
Yes.
Let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, correct. A pair of new French sport shoes. So I will gonna give you again another tip, Kom, that in answering this one, you have to follow the adjective word order, right? Kong?
Yes.
Yeah, so you're gonna see first if there is an adjective opinion, right?
Yes.
And if there's no opinion, look for the size, right? Next, the size. If there's no size, look for the age. It should be in order, okay?
Yes.
Age, and the next, color or origin. No, not or. Color, then origin, okay? So this one over here, Kong, what is new? Kong, in this part over here, what is new? Is it an opinion? Is it a size, an age, or a color or an origin?
Origin.
The new.
Origin.
New is an age. Remember, new, old, young, right?
Yes.
Or it could be an opinion. How about French?
French is origin.
Very good. French is origin. How about number 2, Kong? What is number 2? What is your answer number 2?
A beautiful young tall.
A beautiful.
A young tall beautiful lady.
Really? Young? Are you going to have young first?
A tall young beautiful lady.
Are you going to start with the size? A tall, young, beautiful lady?
Yes.
Tall? Tall is the size. Young is the age. And what is beautiful? What is beautiful, Ko?
Beautiful is opinion.
It's an opinion. So very good. So are you going to start with the size, the age, and then the opinion next? It should be an order, Ko. It should be the opinion first, next the size, next the age, the color, and the origin. So what's your answer number 2?
Is B.
Letter
B.
D.
B.
B. Now, let me, because I cannot, let me write it. This one?
Yes.
Yeah, so let's see. I told you already, okay? Let's see. Your answer is letter B? No, it's letter D. You said earlier, Kong, that beautiful is an opinion, right?
Yes.
So, the opinion first. Beautiful first, right?
Yes.
So what is tall, Kong? What is tall? Is it opinion, size, age, color, or origin? What is tall? Kong?
Yes.
What is tall?
Tall is size.
Is size. Very good. So how about young? What is young?
Young is age.
Age. Very good. So you should follow the adjective order, okay?
Yes.
How about number 3? Okay, think of it. Think of your answer number 3. What could it be? Number 3.
It's D.
It's D? Really? What is wooden? Is it an opinion, size, age, color, or origin?
Wooden is opinion.
Really? Wooden is opinion? Opinion is something that is not based in true. Like, it's your own opinion only.
A wooden is origin.
Very good. So are you going to put wooden in the first sentence? It should be in the last because origin is at the last part of the sentence.
B.
It's letter B. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let me see. Why? Why? What is the word thick? Is it an opinion, a size, an age, a color, or origin?
Thick. Thick is. Thick is size.
Thick is size. Very
Yes.
good. How about old?
O is age.
Very good. Let's see if your answer is correct, okay?
Yeah.
Number 3 is letter? Correct. It's letter B. So now you know how to see or to order or to sequence the adjectives. Okay, how about number 4? Now, I'm not going to tell you again if what is this one, if it's an opinion, a size, or an age. Now, you tell me, what's your answer?
D.
D? Letter
Yes.
D?
Yes.
A modern racing Vietnamese car. Modern racing Vietnamese car. What is the modern?
Modern is modern is
Modern is what?
opinion.
It's an opinion, really?
Modern is opinion.
No, modern is not an opinion because it is not something you can decide. Like you cannot say, oh, this one is modern, this one is old. This one is modern or old. Is that opinion? When we say modern, it's new. It's updated. So, modern is an age. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, your answer is letter D, right? A modern racing Vietnamese car. Let's see. See. What is the answer number 4, Kong? It's letter
Letter.
Look, what's the answer number
I.
4? Letter A, because as you can see, modern is the age, Vietnamese is the origin. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Modern is the age, Vietnamese is the origin of the car. Racing car. Racing car here, Kong, is our noun, right?
Yes.
Okay, how about the last number, Kong? Number 5.
Um.
Number 5.
Number 5 is B.
Number 5 is B. Why? Tell me why.
Because the origin is English book.
So your answer is letter D, this one? This letter, wait, teacher, we're gonna write. This one, letter D? Letter D?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. English book is the origin. And then, what is interesting? Interesting is on?
D.
Yeah, your answer is letter D. But what adjective is interesting? Is it an opinion, size, age, color, or origin? It's what?
D.
Yeah. But this one, Kong, this one, wait a minute, teacher, we're gonna underline it. What is this one? Interesting. What adjective is this? Is this an opinion, a size, an age, a color, or an origin?
The origin.
You said English book is the origin, right?
Yes.
How about the interesting? What is this adjective? What adjective is this?
Adjective is interesting.
Yeah. This one is an adjective, but what adjective? Opinion, size, age, color, or origin? You choose. What adjective is the word interesting? It's
D.
Yeah, your answer, Kong, is correct. Letter D. But teacher is asking, what adjective is interesting? These are the kinds of adjective, Kong. Wait, teacher, we're gonna write it over here. These are the kinds of adjectives. Okay? Kinds of adjectives. This one. These are the kind of adjectives, the opinion, the size, the age, color, and origin. Okay? Kong?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what is interesting? What adjective is interesting? Choose between this one. It's a size, really? Size is big, small, tall, short, thick, thin. Is that a size? Interesting.
Is origin no his opinion.
Very good. It's only you, Kong, can tell whether you like the book or you don't like the book. So it's an opinion, okay?
Yes.
How about new?
And new is age.
New is old.
Age.
New is
Age.
age. Very good. So now you know. Okay, so do you have any question, Kong, about our topic today?
No.
No? Do you know all the adjectives already?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so instead of making this one as your homework, let's gonna have this one as your quiz today. Okay, it's a quiz today because this is a good, what do you call this one? This is a good exercise because it's almost time and we only have a little time to open a new topic. So instead of opening a new topic, Kong, let's gonna answer this one. This is supposedly your... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Wait a minute, Kong. I'm sorry. I think this is not the one. Okay. Oh, okay. Here. Okay. Can you please read it, Kong? Which one? Which one is different? Huh? Okay. Wait. Which one is different, Kong? Okay. Vocabulary. Let's try. No. Let's not try the vocabulary over here. This one. Oh wait, teacher will gonna. Okay, this one, Kong. This one. Complete. Complete.
Complete the conversation with the correct words from the box. Write them on the list.
Okay, for example, where were you yesterday? I was in the countryside. What?
I rode.
I rode. Very good. I rode. Can you continue reading it? I rode.
My horse in the fields. What did you enjoy it? Yes, it was great. What about you? My brother and I go to the mountains. We watched in the we swam in the lake. Wow.
Okay, one more time, Kong. One more time. You say, my brother and I go.
My brother and I go to the mountains.
Go.
My brother and I went to the mountains. We swam in the lake. Wow, do you go there every Saturday?
Okay.
No, I often sit on a sofa and watch TV.
No, I often. One more time. Sit. Okay, sit.
Sit on a sofa and watch TV.
And watch TV. Okay, very good. How about the vocabulary over here, Kong? Let's try answering the vocabulary. Oh, Unit 25 doesn't have. Okay, this one, Kong. Read the sentences. Match the words and the sentences. Okay. Like number 1, you can ride this animal, a horse. Number 2, Kong. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Number 2?
Number 2 is this animal is very young. A kitten.
A kitten. Okay, very good. Let's see later. This animal is very young. A kitten. Okay, next. Number 3.
Number 3 is you need to open a door to stand outside on this part of a home. A balcony.
It's a balcony. Okay. Number 4, Kong.
This is also sometimes behind a house, and it has grass and flowers in it. A garden.
A garden. Very good. Number 5.
Number 5. These are animals which live with people in their home. Pets?
Pets. It's animals. Okay. How about number 6, Kong?
This is part of a farm. You sometimes see cows in it. A field.
A field. Very good. How about number 7?
Number 7 is children like reading funny stories in this a comic.
Do you also like this one, Kong, right?
Yes.
Last one, number 8.
Number 8 is these have leaves and you can put them inside or outside a home.
Plants. Okay, so easy. Okay, Kong. So next meeting, Kong, we are going to have another topic which is fun for movers. Guess who lives here? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so goodbye for now, Kong, and then see you next time, okay?
Yes.
Okay, because supposedly this one, Kong, this will be your homework. But because sometimes you forgot to answer, let's just gonna answer this one over here. But the last part here, Kong, we did not answer it. Speaking, add one out and explain the reasons why. So instead of recording a video, Kong, tell me about this one. Next meeting, okay? On Monday.
Yes.
Okay, Kong, add one out, which means choose which one is different, okay?
Yes.
And explain why this picture is different. Okay, Kong?
Yes.
Okay, Kong. Thank you so much for listening to Teacher today. See you again on Monday.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Kong. Good night.
Good night.